I get asked all the time, what is the best outdoor product to choose? What we have here is our Luxaflex Evo screens. These are great for enclosing a balcony or a patio area. Great for people who want to have that entertainment indoors and outdoors, night or day. They will block wind, rain, sun, and even insects. These particular screens are the Evo Magnetracks. When the wind starts to get too much, they actually have a self-correcting system. The Magnetrack will actually self-correct back down into these channels. Once we put in the Magnetracks, the customer decided that they actually needed some shade for outside of the patio. As you can see here, we have the Luxaflex Nordic folding arm awning. The Evo Magnetracks come motorized. The awning is also motorized in this instance, however it can also be manually operated if you so wish. The screens and the awning come with remote control. You can have individual channels to have them going up and down independently, or you can have them on the last channel where they can all go up and down all together.